Howdy YouTube, this is Trey with PostBordem, and y'all should know by now, if you've been watching my channel, that I like to encourage people to challenge themselves and to get involved in a hobby. So today I'll be showing y'all one of my dad's hobbies, leather work. We'll be building a few sets of Spur leathers, and hopefully y'all find this interesting, so keep tuned.
That's just one of the easiest ways to get them smoothed up, rounded up.
Sure makes me wonder. She advertises him as sound, no vices. So real deal is what she put on. I've seen that, didn't I? I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Did he do it while he was riding?
Probably, because he said that he was riding her that day and she was fine. No problems at all. Come home good.
Ain't none of these going there.
Huh.
That just sucks. I bet them little ones you got with
You got a setter, and then you got one that rounds it off.
Little extra step you're doing here, right?
Yeah, it just makes them look a little bit more finished. You can varnish the edges if you really want to make it look good, but Spur leathers are not going to stay looking good very long, so it's really just a waste of time.
So what got you into leather work?
I guess whenever I was a kid, we went to the Smoky Mountains and I went to a leather shop, and I just loved the smell, and I always wanted to build stuff out of leather.
And how long have you been doing it now, you reckon?
About 18 years.
And in that time, surely you found something that is your favorite thing to build or whatnot.
I like to build holsters, but I really like to build saddles.
Why do you like to build saddles?
Because it's just more involved, and I just like saddles.
What advice would you give someone who's wanting to make leather work a hobby of theirs?
A hobby? Or if you want to get serious, you need to find somebody that you can apprenticeship with that has a shop, so you can go and without buying all the equipment and everything up front.
And watch
you
them.
decide you don't like it, then you can apprentice with somebody. You can use their equipment, and you can gain a lot of knowledge quick that way.
Any kind of tools you'd start out with your own though?
Just your basic stuff, round knife and punches,
I got you.
hammers. You know, a lot of stuff you may have around home, but leather work, you're going to have to invest in a lot of tools.
So there you have it, a tutorial and a bit of advice for those who are interested in getting into leather work. And if not, hopefully this is giving you a little bit of inspiration to pursue a hobby. I just hope y'all enjoyed watching either way, and thanks for sticking with me. Till next time, God bless.